was just writing my to-do list for the day. It's been summer. I told you guys we were homeschooling through the summer. We have not been homeschooling through the summer. It's a challenge. I have a teenager who's not homeschooled, and she's got summer off, so some days she wants to play with the kids, and I'm not taking that away from them because they don't get to spend a lot of time together during the homeschool year. So I've been allowing that to happen. Then last week we had VBS. My to-do list today is getting this table cleared and this classroom organized, putting away the clean laundry that's been sitting in my laundry room because I have more to do, and sweeping and mopping my kitchen floor. But I'm also creating units for my homeschool co-op. I just want to find a way to slow down, but the first step to doing that is having a clean and organized home, because I don't know how much time I've wasted in the last homeschool year looking for things. So there's books that need to be transferred from one shelf to the other, old curriculum to new. So Lord willing, we're gonna prayerfully get through this day. Have to do an emergency run to get some coffee creamer because I was all excited to have a cup of coffee because my energy is going downhill already, and my teenage daughter just started drinking coffee, drank all my creamer and my sugar, so I can't even do café con leche because I need me some sugar, so I gotta go to Publix. So to be continued. I'll be right back. I've decided to take a minute to have some coffee and to do a little bit of reading, take off my arm brace. My arm has still been bugging me. I'm gonna do a little bit of reading while the coffee kicks in, and then I'm gonna finish up with the table. I'm leaving the portfolios out in case I find any papers that need to go in them before I do put them away. But then I'm gonna take them and you over to my messy laundry room, which is a project in itself. I teach at our homeschool co-op and I keep all our crafts in there, but it's also my laundry room. And I haven't gotten in there yet. All I'm doing is washing clothes, so it is messy, but that's the next project. But right now I'm just gonna take a minute. I'm gonna read my Better Mom devotional. I'm going to read my book of the month, which is 6 Ways to Keep the Good in Your Boy. Really liking this so far. I'll probably read one of the Love Dares for couples and one for children, and then send them to my husband via text. So let's see how much. I don't want to spend too much time here, and then I'll read a Psalms out of my Bible. I would like to get this on like 30 minutes. So we're gonna do this and then we'll be back to cleaning. So next time you'll see me, I'll be cleaning. And spend time watching a show with the kids. I did get to do that, and I'm gonna mop the kitchen. Is to put away the laundry, and I never do the laundry here. Usually I do it on the family room floor, and then I just have everybody come and collect their stuff, but I just mopped all of that, and I don't feel like walking or waiting until it dries up. So let us chit chat. So I decided that I'm going to change up my laundry system a little bit. I was speaking to a friend after watching a video, and she just confirmed what she does with her family. And I'm gonna start having my kids, my 15-year-old obviously already does her laundry, but my other two do not. They have a shared laundry basket that's right outside the bathroom that they share in the hallway, and they put their dirty clothes in there after they take a shower. And then I just normally just wash that. But I think what's gonna happen now is I'm going to get them each their own laundry basket, and they are going to be responsible for their own laundry. So my friend has a system. She has 4 children, so there's 6 of them in the family, and 7 actually, because she has her grandfather that lives with her as well. But she does his laundry and her husband's laundry, and then everybody else has a laundry day. So they have to do their laundry, and she has it posted in the laundry room and everything on their laundry day. So they have to do their laundry on their laundry day. And if they forget to do their laundry on that day and then they run out of clothes, they have to wait until the person has done their laundry. And that person whose laundry day it is responsible for washing, folding, and putting away the clothes all in the same day. So that takes a lot off of me. My biggest chores that were the most tedious for me were doing the dishes, which the kids mostly do. Like when I cook, I clean, so that's not a big problem. But people love to put dishes in the sink. So my daughter is in charge at the end of the night. Throughout the day, we put dishes in the dishwasher. But anything that does get put in the sink, including any dishes from dinner time, she's responsible for loading the dishwasher, washing the pots and pans. My husband does help out by cleaning the kitchen. And then my son and my little daughter, what they do is they unload the dishwasher every morning, and then we just continue to do things that way. So I'm really gonna go ahead and just finish up this laundry. And the last thing I'm gonna do is sit down and work on some of my homeschool co-op science units. So yeah, and then I'll probably relax a little bit later and read these 2 books that I have here on the couch, because I'm already pretty tired from the day, and edit this video. And that's the night. Actually, tonight, my husband and I are supposed to go to the beach and watch the sunset and talk about planning our annual 4th of July party. Because last year was kind of a bust, and I want this year to be a nice big 4th of July party that's fun for the kids. So I'd love to have like a pool party with a barbecue, do the fireworks, and invite a whole bunch of family over, maybe some friends. So that's the rest of the plan for the evening. So I'll continue to take you along with me, and I'll see you after this laundry.
I'm looking up from my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew.
Okay, so I got a little bit of that work done, and that completes my list. Now my oldest daughter is going to babysit, and my husband and I are going to sunset. So I'm about to go change her. Your whole ground. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you found a little bit of motivation in today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.